Alright guys, so me and Enzo are here at Sheep Hills today. Some massive jumps behind us, as you can see over there. We're gonna do some runs, make a compilation later in the video. Stay tuned. Hit some massive jumps. See ya. Alright guys, so as you saw, me and Enzo hit a couple laps on Sheep Hills, this track over here, as you can see. Pump track and the table line. So I'm probably gonna hit a couple laps on this mini bike right here. As you can see, it's pretty fun. I'm gonna try and whip it, and then that'll probably be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. After these clips, I will say goodbye. Do the outro. Thank you.
You!
Yeah, bud.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so these are the jumps at Sheep Hills. I'm gonna hit these on a little bike. Try to do a little whip on this one. Friend's gonna get a video.
Okay, so he's gonna hit these jumps on a little mini bike. Here he comes. You! Brother.
Alright guys, back again. I think we're gonna end the video off here. Enzo hurt his ankle pretty bad on the table line. I think he's gonna have to heal for a couple days, and then he'll be back riding. He'll probably be posting old clips, but thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Bye.